Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text background border in Photoshop. So get it started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see text background border. Now going to the, now you can see, then I show the text. Then firstly add the text background. Now going to the toolbar. Now select from rectangle tool. Now draw a rectangle tool. Now select from, double click from rectangle. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Now you can see add text background border. Now going to the layer option. Now click from layer. Now select from mouse right button option. Then click from blending option. Now you can see, now select from stroke option. Now choose from color. Now click OK. Now choose from size. Now click OK. That is, now you can see add text background in border in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.